Hey guys, it's Jenai here, and today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. So I first started off by making myself some coffee, and I have some creamer and sugar in the cup as well as ice because I like my coffee iced, not hot. And the coffee that I was using, I'm not too sure about because I always use something different, but I'll link it down below in the description box if you guys want to know. Then I just stirred it. And for my actual breakfast today, I had some oatmeal, so I just put a cup of oats in a bowl, as well as some sugar and water. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds, and then I ate it, obviously. Usually I watch YouTube when I'm eating breakfast or really anything, and I've been watching Emma Chamberlain's videos recently. So you guys should totally go check her out. And for my lunch, I had some tofu. So I'm just cutting it up into kind of small pieces. And then I put it on my pan. Well, at first I put oil on my pan. Then I put it in my pan. And once I spread it out the oil on my pan, I put the tofu, and I made sure that the tofu was all covered in the oil so it would fry better. I added some pepper as well as some chili powder. I'm not too sure what the chili powder is called, and I thought I added too much right now, but I actually didn't, and it came out perfectly, like the best I've ever made it, and it tasted so good. Like I put just enough, and it was, oh my gosh, it was so good. I decided to eat some applesauce with it as well as my pressed juice, and this is the citrus number 2. My heart would never be much. Then for my snack after lunch before dinner, I had some sourdough crackers with some hummus, and oh my gosh, this is so good, guys. I've been recently eating this a lot, and it's, oh my gosh, it's really good, and it's not that filling, but it's really good. With this, I drank some chlorophyll water, and I'm going to be drinking a lot of pressed juicery throughout this video because I was doing a juice cleanse, and you're really supposed to only drink the juices the whole day, but I needed some food because I just cannot go a day without any food, so I'm drinking a few of them a day instead. For dinner, we ordered pizza, and I couldn't resist eating it, so I ate 2 slices as well as some fries, but fries aren't that bad, you know, like great potatoes. And I drank some rose lemonade from the pressed juicery over ice as well. For my snack before bed, I drank some tea, and the tea I'm using is by Tazo, I'm not sure, but it's green tea and they're in Keurig cups, which is so easy. Like, they're so much easier than tea bags, I feel like. And to cool it off, I use some aloe water because I don't want to drink it on its own. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!
Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud.